Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where we get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are unboxing another phone from Honor. This is the X8C. So sabi nila, this is the smartphone that is the ultimate student companion. Perfect for students. Let's find out kasi this one has a sleek design and also a powerful hardware and a special feature na you wouldn't think na you would expect dito sa price range ng phone na to. But is it really as good as it sounds? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look. Roll that clip. Alright, so let's check this phone. Inside the box, you have the phone itself, syempre. Inside, you have the SIM ejector pin, which is there. And you also have a case along with the other manuals and warranty guides niya siguro. Inside sa phones pa rin comes with jelly case. So added protection ng ating phone kahit alam natin na matibay yung phones ng Honor. They also have a charging cable A to C and they also have a charging brick. So that is what's inside the box. They call this color the Mars Green. Mars with double R S. M-A-R-R-S. Mars Green. So medyo kakaiba rin yung color niya from other phones. Hindi siya yung matte or shiny na back. But this one, para siyang may texture siya na parang leather or coating. Baka type of plastic din siya. Pero may parang leather feel siya. So first impressions, it's actually pretty slim. And it's quite light, no? And this doesn't look like a budget phone at all. So they have two colors. They have the Mars Green and also another one which is the Moonlight White. So I'm liking this one because it's quite different. Does stand out din siya if you put like a clear casing on this one. It's a little subtle, but also unique. In terms of feel sa kamay mo, medyo standard naman siya. Same with other phones. I guess nasanay tayo sa ganitong klaseng size ng phone. It's quite big actually, pero okay naman siya. It's easy to hold, especially pag may jelly case na dito. Mas easy siya. So, bigger screen is for students who are usually on their socials or watching videos sa YouTube. So, this is big enough for you to play games with it and even watch YouTube videos or even series or just anything with the phone. So light and durable. Okay, so let's talk about yung performance ito. Hindi ko na-mention kanina, but they have a 512 storage for this budget phone. 512? Ang laki nun. I think ako nagbe-maintain din ako ng mga 512 storage, but that is huge, ah. Ang laki na niya for a budget phone like this. Para you don't have to buy yung mga external memory to expand it. Pero it's nice na for a budget phone, ganun na yung size niya. Usually mga nasa 256 or 128 may ganung options. But for Honor X8C, they have the 512 internal storage of this one. So daming photos, videos, and apps na pwede mo siyang i-install dito. At marami pang space na matitira for other stuff. So for students naman and young professionals, you won't need to delete files just to install new apps or others. I know I've been there. And pretty sure baka na-experience na rin yung ganong klase na magde-delete ka pa ng mga photos or old files. Pero dito, you don't have to because of the very big storage. Plus yung 16 gig RAM niya kasi meron siyang 8 gig plus 8 gig RAM. Tapos syempre yung multitasking nun, mas faster na siya kasi storage and RAM niya. So medyo malaki na rin siya. It's good enough. Even for a budget phone, yung mga specs na yun is parang pang mid-range na rin. So switching between apps ng YouTube, social media, and everything in between, this one would definitely run smoothly. Now, yung camera naman ito, if you guys are wondering, I think dalawa lang ang camera nito. The other one is a fake camera, but the other one is a flash. So, yung dalawang camera niya is just here. I don't think may use siya. Pero yeah, dual camera setup. But yung main camera ng Honor X8C is a 108 megapixel main sensor with OIS, Optical Image Stabilization. So pwede siya sa mga photos na hindi masyado shaky yung results and even videos. So pwede siya. And even yung low light niya maganda rin. So mas clearer siya, mas detailed yung shots na makuha nyo out of this phone. So for others who likes taking photos at night, so pwede siya. May it be the cityscapes or late night, whatever travel that you guys would have. I think yung low light feature nito would be enough for you to capture really good photos. Kasi yung camera na to performs pretty well. Plus yung colors niya is also vibrant. Yung details niya are sharp as well. Now ito yung sasabi ko sa inyo na hindi nyo ma-expect sa budget phone. No? So si Honor X8C has something very useful. Ito yung Honor AI Eraser niya. So naging available to sa H200 before and also sa mga main flagship phones nila. Pero on a budget phone na merong AI na rin siya na eraser. So you can take yung mga shots without any worries kung may tao man sa gilid or wala. Kasi pwede mo na siyang i-erase using this phone. No? If may nakaharang na unwanted elements dun sa shot mo, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Yun ang isa sa mga na-appreciate ko rin sa mga Honor phones is yung kanilang Honor AI eraser. So talagang natatanggal yung mga unwanted parts or people dun sa shots mo. So how does the Honor X8C hold up in everyday use? Well, I've tested this for a couple of days already. So far, yung apps ko is smooth naman yung transitions ko, yung pag-scrolling. Even yung display niya is quite vibrant. And yung battery niya is very reliable. And this can last me all day if may mga calls or text, then videos, some games, pwede rin naman siya dito. So again, for students, whether if you're watching or attending online class or basically social media and texting, so this one will definitely deliver a good mobile experience. But here is the big question. Magkano ba? How much is the Honor X8C? Given the premium design, massive storage, at powerful camera niya, this would definitely be one of Honor's best value smartphone for students, young professionals, and basically everyone, for your lolo, lola. First phone or secondary phone, I think this one can hold up to any entry-level phones, budget phones, or mid-level ones. No? Pwede siya. So, hindi pa natin sure actually kung magkano siya. So what do you guys think? Is the Honor X8C your next Honor smartphone? Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you guys think of this phone? First impressions, okay? We don't have the price yet, but we will reveal that very, very soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. It's Mike Soon. And on TikTok, Mike.Soon. We also have a blog, mixofeverything.net. And for other tech and lifestyle content, make sure you follow me. All right. Okay, so my name is Mike. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.